You know, I'm not saying these printers are badly designed. It's quite the opposite, actually. This is also exactly what makes them so dangerous. Because closed systems do rarely start with a bad product. They usually start with convenience. Cloud synchronization, one-click workflow, app-integrated stores, and convenient subscriptions. And then somewhere along the way, after updates, policy changes, shifting terms, you start asking if you actually own the machine you thought you bought. Or if you're actually just renting control from a company, while they literally poop on your desk and call it ownership. But now comes the funny part. 3D printing was actually never being built on closed systems. This entire industry grew because people started sharing things. Ideas, software, mods, failures, you name it. Because most of what we now call innovation started out as somebody screwing around in a garage, a basement, or some idiot in the workshop. The common thing, they shared their experience and findings. Because it might have just been the piece of the puzzle that someone else was missing. But open source is not necessarily designed to do anything for free. It is rather about that everyone has access to the progress, and it's been harder to lock away. But there is a silver lining. Communities can become really dangerous for companies. Because once builders, users and buyers move together, industry basically doesn't get a vote anymore. So if you ask me, we need to get back to our roots, to the values that built this industry in the first place. True ownership, security, transparency and control, repairability, and equally shared knowledge. Companies don't usually die when communities are loud. They die when they stop listening to them. We built these tools. We should be allowed to access them, understand them, repair them, improve them, and learn from each other while doing it. And if history has taught us one thing, never underestimate community. Hey there, my name is Jan, and in this particular case, I'm destroying stuff, so you don't have to. So I got two questions. Let's imagine we would do a live stream of this machine constantly running and slowly but surely raising the tool head against the bed. What do you think, how many millimeters would it make until there's no motion left? I'm quite curious. And the fun thing is, we could make him watch. Second question. After this is done, what are we going to do with this guy? Questions over questions. So I guess there will be a live stream this weekend where we start this experiment. In case you don't want to miss that, consider subscribing or follow the links down in the video description to either my Patreon or my Discord channel. I'm really interested in how this turns out and if we as a community are able to actually change something. See ya.